We told you yesterday about a lawsuit hitting the owner of Sip Haus LLC and an employee, claiming both of them sexually assaulted a worker. News West 9's Stephen Pepper is here to help us with the breakdown of this bombshell. Stephen, what can you tell us?
Yes, Cindy, today I spoke with an Odessa attorney whose firm isn't on this case specifically, but has worked with plaintiffs on civil and sexual assault cases before and can help us understand the legal process at hand.
In a shocking lawsuit obtained by News West 9, an 18-year-old male employee of the well-known Midland bar Sip Haus claims owner Lee Sanchez Jr. and employee Alejandro Hernandez both sexually assaulted him during a company holiday party. Odessa attorney Daniel Sarabia Jr. says a case of this magnitude could take years to play out, but a person has every right to take it to court.
Even a case like this can still say civil, so you can get an attorney, draft a lawsuit of what you contend happens, and then take the other side to court in order for them to answer those allegations.
The petition alleges Sanchez gave the underage plaintiff alcohol with the intent of taking advantage of him in the bar. It would go on to claim the plaintiff did not feel in control and was afraid of the two men. The 18-year-old has filed a police report, leaving some wondering why the two defendants aren't in handcuffs. But Sarabia says it's easier to win in civil rather than criminal court.
It's essentially which party is 51%, who's more right than the other side. It's a lower burden. On the criminal case, a burden to convict is beyond a reasonable doubt. That is a high burden to meet, and the state wants to make sure they can meet that burden.
According to the petition, the plaintiff is looking for over $2 million in compensation for damages, such as physical impairment, loss of enjoyment of life, and medical expenses. They're damages that Sarabia says aren't unreasonable in a sexual assault-related case.
Under Texas law, allows you to get a recovery for damages such as those. So it is very common to go to court and to ask a jury or a judge, but basically for compensation for those types of damages, which is what court is designed for.
Now, Sarabia also tells me criminal charges can come from this, but it takes time as officers want to make sure they're arresting someone with enough proof that it takes to get a conviction. Sydney?